Oh my gosh. Dude, it's still alive. Oh my god. Poor thing. I wasn't 100% sure. Should we take it somewhere? Is its wings? Do you think its wings are? No. It's okay. It's okay. I wonder if we, I mean, popping the hood wouldn't do anything, so, because it's...
I'm just, he's gonna try to bite me real hard.
I know, that's why I don't want you to like, oh my god. Oh my god. Don't panic, buddy, you're gonna break your neck. Oh my god. Oh.
Pop your hood.
Do you wanna? Alright, I got it. Where's the little... See if I can see where's the...
Hey buddy, just hold on a second. I need to get a tool.
Oh man, poor little man. Oh, you're stuck in there. Look at your little face. I can't believe. Oh, get my car. I'm just happy it's alive.
Right.
Oh my god.
He's alright.
Yeah, he's okay. What about? Is he gonna? Holy cow, he's beautiful. Oh my gosh, what about his neck? Is his neck okay?
Tell him Hawk, he's alright. I'm just worried about his wing.
Is his wing all jacked up?
Don't think so. His
Are
neck's
you gonna
alright.
be okay? Are you gonna be able to fly, little man? Should we just kind of inch him over to that field over there? See if he'll...
Alright, ready?
Are you gonna be okay?
His wing's alright.
Are you not gonna be able to fly? Because I go to Humboldt State. I can call friends.
If his wing's broken.
Yeah, I think it is. He's not flying away, which tells me he's probably not. I know it's a little scary. No, I just had a shock. He's so beautiful. He needs you to fly. Come on.
How's those wings, buddy? You alright? Huh? Try this. Here we go. You ready?
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Woohoo!